Feeling you still haven't wrapped your head around cryptoverse yet, but then there still comes Metaverse? Worry not, cause we're here to help you. In this video, we will introduce you to this concept, answering many few common questions about Metaverse, including what is the Metaverse? Metaverse release date. What you must know about Metaverse blockchain and Metaverse gaming industry. Let's dig in now. 1. What is the Metaverse? Although the definition of Metaverse was introduced in the early days of the internet, like in the novel Snow Crash published in 1992 by Neil Stephenson and then later in the film Ready Player One, this technological idea is still very abstract and difficult to define precisely before they are widely adopted. Metaverse, to put it simply, is a virtual place, a digital universe, where whatever we can imagine can exist. Well, not that pathetic. Let's just look on the bright side here. We can use it to broaden our senses of sight, sound and touch, incorporate digital items into the real world, or immerse ourselves in a 3D environment whenever we want. If understood literally, meta means beyond, and verse stands for the word universe, so we can simply understand that Metaverse is a concept outside the real universe. Metaverse can be viewed as an open world, participants can build and live in that world. If you want to know more about cryptocurrency, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell to receive updates from me. 2. Metaverse release date? Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of the newly named Meta, formerly Facebook, estimates it could take 5 to 10 years before the key features of the Metaverse become mainstream, but aspects of the Metaverse currently exist. Ultra-fast broadband speeds, virtual reality headsets and persistent always-on online worlds are already up and running, even though they may not be accessible to all. 3. Evolution of the Metaverse. In the development of Metaverse, we can mention the following 3 core components. 1. Internet. The Metaverse could not have existed without the Internet. It provides networking capabilities that serve as the foundation for the Metaverse's virtual relationships. This can be considered as the next evolution of the Internet. 2. Hardware system VR. VR stands for virtual reality, which refers to simulation technology to create and experience virtual worlds. R stands for augmented reality, which is a technology that integrates virtual information with the real world to achieve a surreal sensory experience. 3. Metaverse blockchain. With the current context, the Metaverse industry is attended by many large technology companies including hardware, software, blockchain, gaming, etc. However, these platforms lack interoperability together. For example, you cannot exchange valuable items in Fortnite for a similar item in Minecraft. Now, let's go deeper to the relationship between Metaverse and blockchain. 4. Metaverse blockchain relationship. Metaverse will be completed with the support of blockchain technology for the following reasons. Blockchain interoperability. Assets on different blockchains can be easily moved back and forth through a cross-chain bridge. Scalability. Existing blockchains like Avalanche, Solana, Polkadot all possess great scalability. The personalization of blockchain is expressed through NFTs, unique and irreplaceable tokens. Security and transparency. Blockchain technology is a place to help secure users' digital assets from hacker attacks. On the other hand, with the development of DeFi as an intermediary bridge promoting economic activities of blockchain technology, it has met all the needs of a decentralized financial system. You can imagine when there is a need to exchange and trade goods on Metaverse, there are already decentralized exchanges, DEX or marketplaces. When you need to borrow or lend capital, lending and borrowing protocol models can be easily implemented. 5. Metaverse gaming industry. When it comes to video games, most people immediately think of entertainment, but in reality, its potential is much greater. Video games and digital worlds have the ability to simulate real-world environments and even push the boundaries of reality to contribute to improving lives in various ways. Today's game publishers are attempting to accomplish this transition. Epic Games, the publisher of Fortnite, is one of those companies that is putting in a lot of effort to turn its video game environment into the Metaverse. Basically, Fortnite is a type of battle royale game. In recent years, they've expanded to host an in-game concert with some of the world's most famous musicians, like Travis Scott and Ariana Grande. Most recently on August 26, Epic Games teamed up with Times Magazine to give Martin Luther King Jr. the speech of a lifetime in Fortnite. Roblox is a large game firm that wants to build the Metaverse. Their game has been around for over a decade, where it allows users to build their digital worlds and interact with friends online. Roblox recently decided to IPO, and largely due to its intent to pursue the Metaverse, the company has reached a valuation of over $39 billion. From that, it can be seen that, if someone is going to pursue the metaverse, they will need to start with the gaming field first. 6. Will the metaverse become inevitable in the future? Although the current metaverse in the field of art, games, has already begun to appear, it is still in its infancy. Its future is quite promising to grow and explode. It's just like how artificial intelligence has done in the history of mankind's technology. However, in my personal opinion, this development does not have a switch point to turn on metaverse at a specific time. This means there is no before metaverse or after metaverse. Instead, it will appear gradually, accompanied by changes in user culture and the ability to upgrade technology in the future. We can confidently predict that metaverse will revolutionize technology in the future. So that is the end of our video. Hope you can now understand the concept of metaverse. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CoinF Master for more useful videos.